Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking down a clear keyword set. Pick 3 to 5 priority terms that match real audience intent. Once chosen, scan top competitors to copy phrasing patterns, not copying content, but learning words that rank. Then, update your profile. Place the primary keyword in your username or display name and include supporting keywords in the bio. This matters because Instagram searches text fields first. Make sure your words read naturally, while signaling relevance to search algorithms and people. Now focus on the post itself. Put 1 or 2 keywords within the first 125 characters of your caption so both users and the algorithm see them immediately. Add keyword-rich alt text describing the image, and if possible rename image files with a keyword before upload. For hashtags, combine 2 branded tags, 3 specific niche tags, and 2 broader tags to widen reach. Once done, monitor the first 72 hours to see which phrasing attracts saves and follows. Finish by measuring results. Track reach, saves, and profile visits tied to each keyword set for 2 to 4 weeks. Then iterate, /B test caption phrasing and swap a single keyword each post cycle to isolate impact. If performance drops, first refresh your bio and top pinned posts with updated keywords, then rework captions and alt text. One key troubleshooting tip: if rankings fall, remove low-performing hashtags and replace them with more specific, lower competition tags to regain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.